You are safe. You think it's broken? You've drunk it down and spat it out. Nothing tastes like the things you had. So tear it off, why don't you let them go? We all need someone to
We go to the safe house where I promised you. He will look.
someone to stay. Follow